What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an order form payment with System.io. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in System.io. After typing, you will be directly redirected to the landing page of System. So now from here, enter your email address if you are new here, or if you already have an account here, just simply sign in. As you can see, I have successfully logged in my account on System.io. Now, after coming here, hover over to the website, and after hovering to websites, click on Sales Funnels. After clicking on Sales Funnel, on the right side, you can see the option of Create. Simply click on it and then name your funnel. Make sure to use as good name as you can, and after writing the name, click on custom. This enables to build a custom funnel from scratch, so you can customize everything, and then make sure to choose your currency in what you're gonna pay, or the customer that is coming, he needs to make sure that in what currency he's gonna pay. After that, click on save. After clicking on save, as you can see, I have created this funnel. After that, click on the name of the funnel, and after clicking on the name of the funnel, now you can edit your funnel from here. Then on the left side at the bottom, you can see the option of add step. Click on that and then give the name of your funnel. After giving your name, choose the step type of the funnel, like I have chosen upsell, and then click on save. After clicking on save, you will see multiple templates to choose from. Choose one template that you like. For example, I like this one. Just click on select, and after clicking on select, you can click on edit page, and now from here you can edit your thumbnail. So as you can see, if you want to add a title, you can add a title, or you can change the rows and the columns, you can delete it, you can change the settings of it, you can copy it, and then you can perform multiple things here, like you can add a content box, you can add a text box, you can add a headline, bulleted list, and you can even add column layouts like 2, 3, 4 columns, section and rows, and you can input some forms and checkbox too. In the payment section, you can add the offer price, you can add the physical product, the photos of the physical product, and then you can accept the offer button, you can add the check boxes, you can decline the offer button, and in the media, you can add images, videos, audios, and carousel. And here are some multiple things that you can add to this template, or whatever template that you have chosen, and you can even edit the text of this, like this. For example, I don't want this half text, so I will just simply select it and then hit backspace, and as you can see, my text has gone, and now I only want this much text, so it will remain it like this. So this is how you can create an order form payment in System.io, and when you are done, click on save. That is how it is done. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.